Hello, welcome to this set of videos on fast track math. Yes, fast track math preparation for your CSEC examination. In 5 minutes, you can learn a lot of stuff with videos. In fact, the research shows that for a classroom session of 4 to 5 minutes, a 5-minute video will cover the same topic in depth. You learn more and retain more of what you see and hear, because of the colorful images, the interaction, and that you have complete control over your learning experience. You can pause the video, you can replay the video any number of times to refresh your memory or reinforce what you have learned. None of those things you can do in the classroom. I've created these videos so that you can learn about matrices quickly and easily and retain tons of information. These modules are accompanied with interactive quizzes that give you instant score and feedback. Now, the content of these video tutorials, is based upon past CSEC papers and the recommended textbooks that are used in classrooms throughout the Caribbean. So you can be assured of the content that's being covered. I think to note that for CSEC math, students have been performing poorly, at least Guyanese students and students in other Caribbean territories. Now here's a chart showing the performance for Guyanese students for the period 2013 to 2018. And you can see, you can pause the video and read the graph yourself, read the chart yourself, and see they're scoring below 40%, 40% of passes. Of all the students in Guyana who wrote the exam for the following years, most, just 40% passed. Now, for many students, they find math difficult. In this difficulty gauge, minimize this. Let's focus on the difficulty gauge I've created for you, the degree of difficulty. With the top being easy, and as you progress, you come down, it's very, very difficult. Most students find the topics that come in paper 2, the optional section, very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. They're around here. They struggle with matrices, vectors, trigonometry, linear equations, coordinate geometry, and much, much more. I've designed these videos to make it easy for you to learn. Very, very easy. Here's another difficulty gauge. You want to be in this area here. The gauge points to the red zone, where most students find it very, very difficult. You will want to be in this zone, the green zone, and you will by the end of this video. Enjoy.